So today we're going to be making baking soda volcano. So you're gonna need a cup like this. You know, just any cup, doesn't really matter. Hold on just a second. Here. You could even use this kind of glass. Something glass. You're gonna need this to catch the lava, you could call it, from the volcanoes. This soap. Vinegar. And baking soda. Okay, so first we're gonna start with baking soda. You're gonna need to put that down this first or it's not gonna work. So you're gonna put it in here.
I'ma be the advanced brother with soul. I'ma be worldwide, international. I'ma be in Rio, rockin' Tokyo.
Okay, so we have it in here. Now we're gonna
loan out a billion to get back a trillion. I'ma be a
okay,
but my
so
name ain't Lehman.
now we're gonna put the dish soap in. And you're also gonna need this for the vinegar to dump it in. You don't want to put it in right away. That will not end well.
Sick with the flow and the goal is to rock the whole globe. I'ma be the future, I'ma be the war. Reason why you even wanna come to a show. You can see me while I'm rocking and I'm kicking down a doden. I'ma be up in the club.
Why'd you do it?
I like. I'ma be popping that.
I don't see why not. We can post it on your channel.
Oh, let's make this last forever. Party and we'll chill together. On and on and on and on and on and on and on.
Then you can have it on your channel. Okay, so now we're gonna do this. And I'm gonna dye it so it kind of looks like lava. But first I have to find it, so enjoy picture. So just stay here. Up here are all the ingredients you need. You can stare at this and try to get them. You're going to get them. I'll erase mine. Okay, so
I'ma be rocking it. Apple DB Infinite. BEP.
okay, so I'm just writing this down.
Futuristic musically, powerful with energy. From the soul we sonically sending positivity across the globe in 7 seas. Take care of our families, rocking shows, making cheese. I'ma be out with my peace, living life, feeling free. That's how it's supposed to be. Come join my festivity and celebrate like I'ma be.
Okay, so these are just all the ingredients that you will need. Right here. It's baking soda. You're gonna need baking soda, okay? Baking soda is a must-have for this. You're going to need dish soap. I repeat, you're going to need dish soap. You're gonna need dish soap. Okay? So now that you have dish soap, okay, whatever. I'm just gonna explode it. Just hold on. Okay, So you can obviously put some in here. I'm just gonna wash this out. So I can do a little wait, well, might as well do it. Okay, so can I just do my I can get this out. There we go. Okay, so I'm putting this in. You gotta it really depends on what kind of baking, what kind of food coloring you have. Okay, so now it's orange and it looks like lava. So now we're just going to put this in here. This is the catcher of the lava, and in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It has erupted. Oh god. Okay, so as you can tell, it's overfilling right now. And it's dripping. Here's an example of it in my hand. Right on your laptop. I don't care. It's only the tiniest bit and it's not going to hurt. Ew, that feels gross. Okay, so now you have the baking soda volcano. Yay, yay, yay.